Hi, hello friends. I am your Naresh. Today we are going to discuss about the HTML tables. HTML tables allows the web developer to arrange the data in a rows and columns. For example, one company and contact and country. Company is Alfred's Fulton Street. Contact is Maria Andres and country Germany. One more company Centro Comercial Mectrasma Francisco Chang Mexico. So these are the all companies. These are the all contacts. Third column all are country. This is first column. This second column. This is third column. This is first row, this is second row, this is third row, this is fourth row, this is fifth row, like that. Sometimes we are using the Excel sheet. We are same columns, number of columns and number of rows, and we are arrange the data in a table format. Same similar kind of. We are arrange the data in a web page by using the HTML tables. Then we are creating HTML table format the data. So this is most important topic in HTML because of sometimes, for example, student results getting the time top 10 students information if you want to display in your home page, then student name and mark the rank and marks percentage. For example, Naresh rank 1 percentage 99, like Suresh some rank 2 and percentage 98 percentage, like that. That time it is very important thing in nowadays in web page. We are going, if you create the web page and represent the student information on tabular format, it will be very useful. So that's why we are using HTML tables. And let's go to my notepad and I written some code. I will show HTML table. This is our table, and I created one web page for HTML table. Doc type HTML. Here I open some head tag and I open style tag within the table. I apply some CSS properties here and close the head, and after open the body, and I written some HTML table heading. HTML table, this is important. Table tag open, and where you are closing this one 62 line number I closed. HTML have another child elements, table elements. tr for row, table row. Th for table heading. Here I written some 3 headings: company, contact and country, and I close the one top row. After that another row is company name and contact name and country name. Same another row, company name, contact name and country name. Same like that, country name, company name, contact name, country name. Company name, contact name, country name. Same similar kind of this rows also, company, contact and country. Here I close the table tag and close the body tag and HTML. So do you want to see this output on web page, right? Let's go to the first of all my folder where I did save here. This is my web page for table, HTML table. When I double click on it, then it will open in our web page. Here we are observe HTML table. This is H2 heading, and this is first column, second column, third column. First column company, second column contact, and third column is country. Company name and contact name and country name. This is first row. This is first column, second column, third column. First row, second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row, sixth row, like that. This is HTML element. If you want test it what we are writing in our notepad, then please right click and after click on the inspect, then we are observing what we are written the code in our notepad. That will be show. 1 second, it will be load. Okay, now it's getting. Yeah, we are observing the HTML table that I written in the H2 tag. After that we have table. Yeah, this is first row. First row is headings, company, contact, country. These are the columns. And second row onwards, these are rows. This is company name, contact name, country. Same similar kind. This is a company name, contact name, country name. So these all rows are information. This is country, company name, contact name, country name. So and after that I close the tr and t body, some t table, and close the body. So this is a most important topic in HTML. That's why we are going. Please go and learn and practice this video. Yeah, that is only. Now I think we are learn HTML table. I think you are getting good knowledge on HTML, right? HTML is a HTML table is used to represent the data in a tabular format, and where you are using, sometimes students results getting, that time you are arrange it like this table format. That's why you are using the HTML table. If you like my video, please like, comment, share, and please subscribe the channel, and please click on the bell icon for next new video notification you will get. Thank you.